जी। Young cows, small baby cow. This is a beautiful dairy farm. You could see plenty of animals like baby cows, young cows, and there are big cows, black cows, like this. Black bull, heavy bull, hefty bull, angry bull, aggressive bull. ये गुस्से से देख रहा है।
बेटी क्या कर रही है?
Big cows. This is the best village life culture you could see in this video. Dairy farm animals, big cows, pet cows, Kurbani cows, animals for Kurbani. Marvelous. Indeed, that is marvelous. And this is even more marvelous. You could see beautiful Veda for Kurbani, hefty bulls and cows. This is at its best.